Most of the characters for the impetus for the songs that I write, I think historically has been me, whether it comes from a wounded place or a celebratory place or a relationship issue. I think I try to dig out what I know about that character. What would I do there as a person? How would I react to that? And how did I react to that at one time? What was my worst self? What was my best self? You're still here, sitting on a white bed, but maybe then again you're resting in your own cloud. They're like you, everyone you're watching, you know how it feels, and they sure do need you now. You are amazing, you are wonderful, you are small and you are big at the same time. You still walking when you want so much to fly. You have so many questions and every answer inside. If I'm writing about people on the street that I don't understand very well, I think I would be limited to a few lines. I don't know that I could actually explore that too much, but as far as like if I'm trying to shape a character in a story, I try to definitely tap into my 45 years of being on the planet and what that might feel like. And also it gives me time to explore things that I've never gotten to explore with myself.